Today we are going to be talking about the Newton's laws of motion. By the end of today's class, you should be able to state the Newton's laws of motion. You should be able to define momentum. You should be able to define impulse. Okay, and you should also be able to give the formulas of momentum and impulse. Of course, with their units. So let's dive into today's work. So, Newton's laws of motion. There are 3 laws of motion. We'll be starting with the first Newton law of motion. The first law of Newton states that a body will continue to be in a state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is being acted by an external force. So what does this mean? It means that if you are standing, you continue to stand, okay, until maybe you are being pushed or pulled out of the position you are. Alright? So now, the ability of a body to continue to be in a state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line is also called inertia. Okay, that's why the first law of Newton motion is also known as what? The law of inertia. The law of inertia. Okay, inertia can also be defined as the reluctancy of a body to start moving when it is at rest or to be at rest when it is in motion in a straight line. That's the first law. So let's talk about the second law of motion. What is the second law of motion? The second law of motion is simply the rate of change of momentum. When the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force, okay, and the force, and it's in the direction of the force applied. Okay, mathematically this can be stated this way. Okay, the rate of change of momentum this is the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied and is in the direction of the force. Okay, so now if we cross multiply, we have Ft is equal to mv minus m